Hey everyone, it's Mariana from GetResponse, and these are email annotations. Today I'm showing you exactly how to add them to your campaigns so your emails actually stand out and get clicked. Let's jump in. Once you're inside your GetResponse account, you'll find the Gmail Promotions tab settings in the email creator. So you want to head over to the navigation bar and then to email marketing and then create newsletter. For the sake of this tutorial, it doesn't matter if you choose to create a newsletter by yourself or with AI, so I'm simply going to choose the first option in this case. You would then, of course, do the usual process of choosing a subject line, designing your newsletter, or choosing a ready-made template. And then once that's sorted and you're back to this section, you want to click here in Email Annotations for Gmail's Promotion tab. You'll see 5 available settings, which are sender logo, description, promotional code, offer time range, and promotion card, and a preview here on the right side. To add these extra details to your message, just switch on the toggle next to the options you want to use. So let's start by turning on the sender logo, and here you can upload your brand's logo to be displayed next to your message. We currently accept files up to 3 megabytes. So when Gmail selects your email to appear in the top picks, which is a highlighted section at the top of the Promotions tab, then this logo you will upload will be displayed next to your sender name, so here. And this helps your brand stand out even more in this premium placement and can actually increase your open rates. Keep in mind, though, that being featured in this top pick section depends on Gmail's algorithm, it depends on your sender reputation, user engagement. We can't guarantee this placement, but having a logo does increase the chances of a visually branded appearance. And just to give you an example, if we wanted to, let's say, add the GetResponse logo, we would go here. In this case, we already have it in our library, and you'll see it would look something like this. Now let's go ahead and toggle on description here to add a short line of text below your subject line in the Promotions tab. This is meant to give your recipients the highlights about your offer. For instance, let's say free shipping or 20 off site-wide. And remember just to keep it concise, up to 100 characters, because we want it to display fully on all devices. And this is how it looks like. Now, if your email includes a discount code, toggle on here, promotion code, and enter the discount code, for example, autumn 25. This feature is particularly useful for e-commerce campaigns because it gives your recipients the immediate access to the exclusive offer. And you can also set an offer time range to display when your deal expires, and this can be quite useful as it creates a sense of urgency right inside the Promotions tab. Simply click here on the date and the time field to open the calendar view and just pick your desired dates and specify the time. In the time zone field here, make sure to select the correct time zone for the offer. So wherever you're based or your user's based, whatever makes more sense to you. And finally, let's go here to promotion card. This one's actually next level. You can showcase actual products with images, headlines, descriptions, prices, and links directly in the Gmail Promotions tab. You can add up to 10 of these promotion cards, though heads up, this one does need some extra setup with Google and it might not be available everywhere yet. Currently, they are available only after receiving acceptance from Google via email. And the way you get this acceptance for markets outside of the US is by sending your domains and subdomains to the email you see here on the screen, so they can be added to Gmail's allow list. When it comes to the how, it's pretty straightforward. Simply enable the toggle here next to the promotion card and then click Add Card. You'll see this new promotion card details window where you need to configure it. The first thing you want to do is to upload an image. You can select from the files an image in your account or from your device. In this case, I will choose here from the pre-existing account one. The image requirements are quite specific and they vary depending on whether you have a single card or multiple cards, so make sure to check carefully here the supported ratios. After that, you can add the promo URL, let's say this one. So when users click this image, they will be taken to this URL, and you can optionally also add a headline, let's say in this case, black dress. This is just a short description that is displayed under this preview image, and then decide whether to display the price. Just keep in mind that activating the price will automatically enable it in all other cards as well. So if you do choose to show it, you need to specify its original price. Let's just say 40, for example. The currency, let's say euro, why not? and then the discount value. This is the amount that should be subtracted from the price. So let's say, for example, 10. And then the adjusted price will be displayed next to the original one. Let's say add cart to save the changes. As you can see, this looks a bit distorted, but we were expecting that because we want to add more cards, so it will then adjust accordingly. Let's then add one quickly. You can see it's starting to shape up nicely. I'm gonna go ahead and just add one more just so you see how it will look. And that is it. When you're done, you can preview your setup here on the right. Just keep in mind that promotion cards will not be visible to users in the European Union. They will be able to see the code and the offer time range and the description and the logo and everything, but not the actual promotion card. So keep that in mind. As of now, it is not possible. And once everything looks good to you, you are ready to hit send as you always do. That's it. You've just optimized your emails for the Gmail Promotions tab, and with annotations, your promotional emails are going to look so much more professional, get way more attention, and honestly, people are just going to remember your brand better. So if you want to explore all the technical stuff, we've got a super detailed Help Center article, so make sure to check that one out. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy marketing. We'll see you in the next one.